Hey y'all, I have an unboxing. I just got this in the mail. This is my Buttons Galore and More Love Your Box. Leave a review. I just got my fun little box in. It is called Merry and Bright, and not like Christmas Merry and Bright, like happy bright colors. Let me see the primaries. Let me see the secondaries. It's cute. So let's get into this. So this is a little theme pack. Oh, and guys, I'll have links down below where you can get your hands on the goodies. And this is a subscription box, which I love to get a box of curated goodies. So bunch of balloons here. They are flat backed. They are so stinking cute. I cannot wait to use them. So many ideas. So I have that. I've got Twinkle Twinkle Stars. They do have the little bit on the back. So depending on what you're using them for, you can leave them as they are or pop them off, whatever. But I think they're so cute from the Fairy Tale collection. Great. Let's see. This is a box exclusive. It is Button Fusion. So all kinds of happy, bright, colorful goodness. Love the little plaid pieces. This one looks like a pinwheel. Oh, look at little ombre action. Cute. Okay, Sugar Shop. This is a box exclusive as well. Can you guys see the glitter? It is like over the top, but it's not like chunky glitter. It's in the resin. So love that. I like the variety of colors. You can go totally off with the greens. Like if you want to get ready to do like St. Patty's stuff, you can like reserve the red for Valentine's. You do you. Happiness, it's spring goodness, love it. So premium gemstones, these are called jewels, and it's a mix of bright colors. Oh, sorry, snowplow going by. Guys, look at, there is like this turquoisey greeny color. We have purple, we have red, we have yellow, so much sparkles, and you get a ton in here. You get a ton, super fun. Next, this is a box exclusive. Yes, please and thank you. They are 7 bright brown sequins color. Oh, no, that's not the right thing. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big old giant buttons. They're going to pack a total punch. Super fun. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. So these are called Pops. Pops. It's a mix of bright colors. Guys, so great for shaker pockets. They are going to wiggle and move all over the place. They remind me of spring. I can't wait. And then finally, guys, I love these when we get them. It is a box exclusive, right? Of all kinds of gorgeous sequins colors. They are all round. This is like a clearsy pink. This is like a yellow orange, like bright. We have got pretty yellow, purple, a really saturated minty green, and then we've got a gorgeous sky blue. So talk about, and it's, you know, in this nice little collecty container, and I love these. Anywho, so this is a Merry and Bright subscription pack. I'm going to have links down below where you can get your hands on these goodies. Check out all kinds of goodies that are in the shop, and I cannot wait to get creating with these guys. So stay tuned. You'll see some projects coming up with them before you know it. I love. Okay, bye for now, friends.